Helicopters and Insertion, sir, if you want to track the ground.
Okay, get the ground. I'm looking at the strikers. That was what you were looking at, right?
A-firm had 2 strikers, 2 M1, or 4 strikers, 2 M1s, and 2 Brads together. They were doing a U-turn.
Roger, good copy. Have the 60s in sight.
This is how it should be done right there.
73 guns, Mike.
Back at radio. Guns, Mike, 735.
1173, I just got off the phone with Falcon 3. Basically what they're waiting for is they're waiting for that guy, the driver, to get back into the van and move it away from that particular house that it's parked at. Right?
Oh, watch this, dude. This is going to be amazing.
I understand you guys are running low on fuel. You probably have about 30 minutes of station time left is what we're tracking. But as soon as that vehicle moves out into the open, they're going to clear you guys to go kinetic on it. But until then, you're going to have to stand by.
This is amazing, dude. Check this out.
Roger, we're standing by. Keep your eyes on. It looks like the vehicle's parked in a parking spot, not like any others. They don't. Doesn't look like they plan on moving anytime in the next few minutes. But we got to maintain you guys on. We're going to push off a little bit, see if our presence, their lack of presence, will have them come back out.
Roger, that's a good copy. And also just be advised, if you guys do run low on fuel, give us a 15-minute heads-up call so we can start coordinating getting them out there.
654.
Roger, 773. We'll
That's rocking.
I heard small.
You heard what?
Small arms fire over Baghdad radio.
Got Insertion on the rooftops. Said we have Insertion on the rooftops.
Roger.
Okay, you guys monitor Baghdad radio?
No, I'm up Liberty, but